What I have here is a big toy garbage truck that I made out of plywood. I started by building the little truck, which I built out of 1/4-inch plywood, and then I decided to build a bigger one using 3/4-inch plywood. And since I was using 3/4-inch plywood, I decided to simply triple all of the measurements of the small truck to make the big one. The big truck is approximately 25 inches long by 12 inches high by 8 5/8 inches wide. It rolls on its wheels, which I also made out of 3/4-inch plywood. For the axles, I used a 5/8 inch dowel. Here's the cab of the truck, and the back end of the truck here, where I have a compactor. Kind of awkward doing it from this angle, but that's the compactor. I painted the truck with spray paint. Overall, the truck weighs approximately 16 pounds. And that's my homemade plywood garbage truck toy.